I'm going to show you step by step how you can start your own faceless YouTube channel without showing your face and without using your voice, just by using an easy and free website. Okay, I will make this video super easy for you guys, and I'm going to share with you everything you need to start your own YouTube automation business. Okay, so let's get started. So I already have faceless YouTube channel, as you can see, and in just one single day this channel has made $768 just in one single day. Maybe this will motivate you to start, because I will share with you as beginner in easy niche you can start with. Okay, so let's get into it. So what you need to do is I did some research, okay, and I found those videos are really super easy to make as for beginners, and those videos are getting a lot of views. Those are relaxing YouTube videos. Look at this one, for example, uploaded 3 weeks ago. It's close to 2 million views. Okay, so this channel uploading just relaxing YouTube videos about Norway, showing videos about Norway, nature of Norway, and adding background music to the videos, and they upload the videos. It's easy and simple to make like those videos. Okay, so to start making like these videos, guys, what you need to do is you need to go to Canva. Okay, so you need to sign up to Canva. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to click over here on video, and you will be directly in this page over here. Then click over here on elements, click on elements like this, click on the search for Norway. Okay, and click on videos, because we need videos. Okay, and here you go, you will find a lot of videos about Norway. Click on the video, your video will be over here. Click on 3 points, okay, and click on set the video as background. Click over here, leave the video like this, because the videos should be long. Okay, click on add page. Okay, click on the next page and add the second video. This is add different videos. Okay, don't use the same video. Click again on 3 points, set the video as background like this. Click on add page again, add different video. Okay, like this, and keep using this method. Add page. I will add this one over here like this. Click on add page, scroll down, you will find a lot of videos here about Norway that you can use for free. Of course, it's for free. Click over here, let's add this one. Then we will add the background relaxing music. I will show you how you can do it for free without getting any copyright issue on YouTube. You can use it for free. Okay, I will add this one over here. Click on add page, scroll down, let's add this one over here. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go, let me show you, swipe left, go to the first page, click between those two pages. Okay, like this. Click on add transition. Okay, then choose which transition you want to add between your videos. I'm gonna use this one. It's easy and simple, match and move. I like to use it. Make it to 0.3. Click on apply between all page. Your transition will be applied between all your page. Okay, what you need to do now is you need to add the background relaxing music. So how we can find background, where you can find background relaxing music? Go to YouTube. Okay, so go to YouTube, search for this channel. Okay, search for breaking copyright royalty free music. Okay, search for this channel. You can use this channel, upload free background relaxing music that you can use for free. Copyright is for free. You will not have any issue with copyright. Okay, those relaxing background music, you can use them for free. Okay, click over here on playlist. So for example, let's see this one, this calm music for YouTube. Okay, it's for free, as you can see. I will click on view full playlist. and check those background music videos and choose which one you like to use. For me, I like to use this one, for example. Click on these 3 points, click on share. You need to download this music to your laptop. Click on copy the link of the video, go to Google, okay, go to Google, search for this website, search for save from, okay, search for save from, then put your link here. You can download music from this website for free, okay, just search for save from, then click over here and choose audio, click on download. This background music will be download to your laptop. Okay, what you need to do next, go back to Canva, click over here on upload, click on upload file, and you need to upload your music to your Canva account. Okay, so choose your music, click on open, and your background music should be over here. Okay, so I already uploaded my background music. Click on your background music, your background music will be over here. Okay, and here you go, you just made a relaxing faceless YouTube video in a few minutes. Let's check the video. Okay, let's check. Okay, and here you go. As you can see, guys, we just made relaxing YouTube video just in few minutes. Okay, that's how you can make relaxing YouTube videos for free just by using Canva. Okay, and YouTube, you can download, you can search for relaxing music on YouTube. That is for free to use so you cannot get any copyright issue, and you can start your own faceless YouTube channel like this one. Okay, click after you finish, click on share, click on download this, and download this YouTube video to your laptop, and that's, you can then go and upload this video to your YouTube channel and start making videos. Stay consistency if you want, if you stay uploading videos consistency if you want to succeed on YouTube. Okay, that's all for today's video, guys, and see you in my next video.